Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze, Kill 'em with Kindness, and Cutie, Mark the Spots. This is also going to include Ejiubas, Wonders of Life stamping plate. I'm starting off with finger paints, and this is Chalk Talk. It's a grayed out white, super duper light, like gray, and it might even have like a hint of blue in it. But it's not a stark white. It's an off-white. And I just thought I'd give it a chance for this manicure. And I really probably should have used a stark white with the colors that I'm going to try to gradient with. Hi, Woody. How you doing? But, you know, you live and learn. It's all good. So we're going to go in with the second coat of Chalk Talk. This actually had a pretty good formula. So I did top it with the Pro FX. I lost my footage, but today as a bonus, we've got footage of me putting on some liquid latex around my two nails that I'm going to be doing a gradient on. And look, my hands are so shaky. Oh, just set it down on the table, girl. You ain't got to hold it up there. God. Okay, so I have a dampened sponge. It's a makeup sponge that I've cut in half. And these are the two polishes, Kill 'em with Kindness and Cutie, Mark the Spot. And I am going to do my pointer fingernail with the light green polish. And then I'm going to put the yellow on the pinky. And then I'm going to do the gradient in the middle on the middle two nails. Just kind of, you know, do a little different. Be a little different this time. As you can see, you know, when I go to put that yellow on there, you can see I'm actually doing something. But when I was putting the green on it, it wasn't changing much. You couldn't even see I was doing anything. But now with the second coat, you'll be able to see it. And I know these are more spring-like colors, but this is just more proof that I dance to my own drum. I just do what I want when I want. And there's that second coat going on that little pink nail. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and top those two with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. That way, if they get bumped a little bit along the way while I'm doing this gradient, maybe they'll survive it. Now, I've already started loading up my brush because these colors over that off-white were quite the job. I don't know how many rounds I did. 8? I don't know. I don't know that I'm going to show every bit of it. In fact, I think I'm going to cut a lot of this down because this is just a whole lot of tap, 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 and loading, tap, 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 and loading. I am going to speed it up, and I'm going to cut things up a little bit. But y'all are going to get the show, just the shorter version. It's just, to me, this is repetitive, and you're not really seeing much of a change. When I'm looking through the viewfinder, I thought I could see, you know, the gradient kind of coming up, but it's just not showing up really good on camera. You can kind of see it a little bit, but it's okay. You know, in the end, I was okay with manicure, so it was worth the struggles and the extra rounds, because you do got to let those dry just a little bit. Now, normally if I'm doing all 5 of them, by the time I get done with the 5th nail, the first nail that I did is dry enough to go in with more gradient. So, but doing 2 nails like this, I was having to stop in between. Yeah, I think we're done. We're going to get this liquid latex off. And it's sticking to me good today. I don't know what the deal is. Normally I don't have this much trouble. Snap. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little bit of cleaning before I top coat and get on with the rest of this manicure, because there is more. I know, base coats, gradients, and stamping. We're going to do all of it today. And I thought I was just going to stamp on the 2 gradient nails, but, you know, girl, she can't be left in a room alone with stampers and stamping polish and plates. So I'm going to top this off with that Pro FX once again. I'm breaking that out again. Hopefully the way I'm using this, it'll go quick. This is the Wonders of Life plate. It's the Ejiubas EJB 02. So I guess this first side will be EJB 01. And this is Astronomical from Maniology. It was Bundle Monster back when I bought it. I don't know if this color is still available, but I'm sure you could find something similar. Whether it be Nicole Diary, Bundle Monster, Maniology. Somebody's got the color like this. In fact, Sally Hansen had an Insta-Dry in that Crayola collection that was very similar. But I'm just putting some viney, twirly. Y'all know I like the twirly swirlies. But I'm doing that on these two gradient nails. And I just figured this blue would look really good with the yellow and the green. And then I couldn't resist. I had to put butterflies on the other two. I was going to leave them alone. But I'm confessing I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I had to have some butterflies. So I figured twirly flowers go fine with butterflies. I don't know what my need is to cover all the nails, or I just have a need. So there was a butterfly up there, and I'm going to get a different one down here just so I don't have to stop and clean the plate. They don't have to be exactly matching, so I'm all good with it. I do use that tape to get up any excess so that I don't get that over on my nail. I don't want that extra stuff on there. Ta-da! Alright, so I am going to clean this plate off real quick with some acetone, and I rub it over with the paper towel. Before it gets put away, I'll be using some alcohol on it. And then for our final cleanup with the acetone additive and my Maniology cleanup brush, which I'm still loving, but I am starting to see the wear on it. It gets a lot of abuse, so I'll be ordering another one of these because I do love it. I'm going to top it with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And look, not smearing. Nope, not smearing. Just sealing it in. And then I'm going to top it with Poshe. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.